Good evening, everyone. I am Midshipman Castor from G2E. Tonight, I have a recitation rule number 1 application. Letter E. These rules shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all waters connected therewith navigable by seagoing vessels. B is nothing in this rule shall interfere with the operation of especially rules made by an appropriate authority for roadsteads, harbors, rivers, lakes, and land waterways connected with the high seas and navigable by seagoing vessels. Such special rules shall conform as closely as possible to these rules. Letter C is nothing nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of any special rules made by the government of any state with respect additional station or signal lights, ships or vessel signals for ships of war and vessels proceeding under the convoy, or with respect to additional station or signal lights or ships for fishing vessels engaged in fishing as a fleet. This additional station of signal light ships or visual signals shall suffer possible because they cannot be mistaken for any light, ship, or signal authorized elsewhere under these rules. D is traffic supersonic by me may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of these rules. E is whenever the government concerned shall have determined the data vessel of especially construction or purpose cannot comply fully with the provision of any of these rules with respect to the number, position, range or arc of visibility of lights or ships, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sound signaling appliance. Such vessel shall comply with such other provision in regard to the number, position, range, or arc of visibility of lights or ships, as well as to the disposition and characteristics and sound signaling appliance, as her government shall have determined to the closest possible compliance with these rules in respect of the vessel.